Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. And in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And yes, we have a good news. And the good news is gold is out of the range. For the last couple of days, gold was directionless. Gold was struggling for a direction. Yesterday, when we were discussing about gold, we were discussing about the possibility of a breakout above 336,364 area, around this area. And after that, we got a clean move. Okay, in fact, after releasing the video, within 30 to 40 minutes only, okay, we got a clean move on the chart of gold. And I immediately updated on the Telegram community as well. So if you still have not joined the Telegram community, which is free, please join for timely updates and analysis, because I cannot upload videos all the time, so you get the timely analysis and updates on the Telegram community. So feel free to join so that you get the news and updates. Okay. And yeah, there are lots of scams also going on in my name. Please be careful. Only join the community link, okay, from the description, because there are big groups with 70,000 subscribers, 50,000 subscribers using my face and name. So please be careful. Only join the community with the link in the description. And if you're wondering why gold was bullish suddenly, what happened? Okay, then we need to read some articles. Gold hovers near 5-week high. You can see gold price is down to around 3380 on Tuesday, but remained close to a 5-week high reached in the previous session amid lingering uncertainty ahead of President Donald Trump's August 1 tariff deadline. Yes, the tariff threat is still there in the market, and it was a reason why we got a clean move yesterday upside on gold. Gold rises to a month high as dollar and treasury yields fall. Yesterday there was pressure on DXY, dollar index, okay, and it was the reason why we got good upside on the chart of euro, USD, gold, etc. So my dear friends, okay, you can see the dollar index is trying to recover right now. If further downside comes on the chart of DXY, we can expect further upside on the chart of gold. The old candle by candle correlation doesn't exist between DXY and gold, but whenever there is a drastic move on DXY, we definitely see the impact here. And if we look at the economy calendar, we can see we have a speech coming up from the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. So market may get volatile and crazy. So please be careful during the speech or after the speech. If you see that there is a sudden move in the market and the direction of the market has changed drastically, then please try to follow that trend. Because right now, while recording the video, we can see the market is bullish. So if the market is bullish, so buy at dip, okay, buy at dip or buy at retracement is the best trading strategy. But after the speech, if the trend changes, then obviously we can't help it. Following the new trend will be the only solution. But right now we can see that gold is bullish. So if you have any ongoing buy right now, okay, you can hold your buy position, because we can expect further upside. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then obviously it's quite clear to us that buy at retracement will be the best trading strategy here. And where is the best level to buy, my dear friend? Okay, you must remember that we had a resistance around 3375. Yes, around 337572. You can expect the market to take support. Why? It was the previous resistance that will work as the new support. This green box is the next support or the next best support on the chart of gold, because the previous resistance will be working as support here. In case it doesn't work, if you see further downside, okay, then this will be the next support around 3360, 3357. Why? Same logic. Previous resistance will be working as support. We have seen in the last couple of months that when nothing is working, price action is our best friend. So here we are simply using price action, that if market comes down for retracement, the previous resistance will become support. If market takes support, we can hit the buy button. That's it. And right now we can see that gold is trading around 338485 area. Okay, this was the low made by the market. So there is a small possibility that market may go down, and as a scalper you can go for a high risk sell. But obviously taking a sell position in a bullish market is a high risk. If you have the risk appetite, if you have the required experience, then you can go for it. Otherwise I will not suggest, but still if you want, it's your call, not my suggestion. But yes, you can go for a sell below 338584 area. How much you can expect? If you can score 40 pips also, okay, going against the trend of the market, you can call it as a good trade. Okay, and if you see that gold goes up from here above 339394 area, we can look for a buy, because so the see, observe the market carefully. Okay, let me take you to the 15 minutes time frame. See, this was the previous support, same price action logic. The previous support is working as the new resistance here. Okay, so if you see the market is going up from here, okay, then in the next attempt, try to understand, in the next attempt we can expect market will break 3392, this one. If it does, we can look for a buy above it as well. Okay, so it depends on the scenario. Okay, because the previous support has been working as resistance, this is not a major level that can hold a market for a long time. So in the second or third attempt we can expect market to break. If it does, we can look for a buy above it as well. And ultimately, okay, if this is the main level, if market breaks 3405, we can buy above it. But as we have already discussed yesterday also, if market consolidates before the breakout, then it will be a good move. If you see that market did not consolidate, okay, then it's better to wait and watch. Okay, but as of now, 3400, 3405, okay, is a kind of a danger zone. Okay, let's observe how does the market react in this present level. During the US session, after the speech, if gold starts flying, then you can go for a buy above it. But otherwise, let the market consolidate around 3400 area. After that, when the breakout will come, it will be more clear, precise and powerful. Anyways, my dear friends, whatever you do, follow proper risk management, because loss is the only thing a trader can control, because market is not in our hand. Loss is the only thing that we can control, isn't it? So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Do not gamble with your capital, because if you lose your capital or hard-earned money on a single trade, one or two trade, then you do not have opportunities for tomorrow. Okay, so be careful. Market has been a little volatile. Okay, let's see how does the market react after the speech. Market may not react also. Okay, but still we need to be careful. Okay, be careful with your open positions. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care, and the like button.